One UI 6 is here for Galaxy Watch 6, and this update is now also rolling out for Galaxy Watch 5 and 4. In this video, I'll be discussing about top 5 features of One UI 6 on Galaxy Watch 6, 5 and 4. First of all, we are getting workout routine. This is a brand new option available in Samsung Health app. So simply go to Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch. Tap on workout. Now swipe left. You will see an option that says add. Tap it and choose create workout routine. You can add a warm-up before exercise, then there will be a cool down time. You can also make this workout routine from your Galaxy phone. There is no multi-sport exercise here with One UI 6 on Galaxy Watch 6 that is available on Galaxy Watch Ultra. Next, we are finally and officially getting those watch faces from Galaxy Watch 7. For that, go to Wearable app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now tap on Watch Faces. Here you will see a banner that says Featured Watch Faces. Tap it and now you can download spatial numbers, simple digital and ultra info board. Not all watch faces are available here, like ultra analog watch face from Galaxy Watch Ultra is missing here, but you can download this cool alternative that looks a lot like ultra analog watch face from Galaxy Watch Ultra. This face is available for free on Google Play Store. Its link will be down in description. Next, we are getting suggested or smart replies feature on Galaxy Watch 6 with this update. Now AI will write a reply for you based on the message you are getting. This will be a lot handy when you are driving or during a workout. For this, you don't have to enable any option on your Galaxy Watch. Just make sure you have a compatible Galaxy phone that is running on One UI 6.1. Now go to Settings on your phone and tap on Galaxy AI option right here. Choose Suggested Replies, option that you are seeing here, and make sure this option is turned on. So that's it. Double pinch gesture is also making its way to Galaxy Watch 6. Simply double pinch to pick a call and double pinch to end a call. For this, you have to go to Settings on your Galaxy Watch. Tap on Buttons and Gestures. Scroll down and choose double pinch under Gestures. Turn this option on and also make sure you try this to see how it really works. Energy score is like your body's battery indicator. This shows a combination of your daily activity and the sleep your body got to give it an overall score out of 100. If the score is bad, you'll get a notification saying to take some rest today. This option is enabled by default after this update. Just make sure to add a tile of energy score on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. We also have a new tile now that shows two clocks at the same time. This is a handy option for those who travel a lot. In the end, we are getting some UI changes, like this quick settings panel got a redesign. This is the old one on Galaxy Watch 4. Plus we have many new animations with One UI 6 for Galaxy Watch. This update is a lot better than One UI 5 and it really makes a difference. There is no major lag or battery drain. If you are facing any lag or battery drain, then make sure to clear cache of your Galaxy Watch. I have shared a video for that in description. And that was all about for today's episode. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.